So today I'll be showing you how to put a black background on your Instagram story. So what you need to do is go to Instagram stories to create a new story, and then you want to launch the camera app and then take a random photo with your camera, and then tap on the three dots in the top right corner and select draw, and then from the color selector at the bottom choose black, and then long press on the current image, and that's going to put a black it's going to cover the screen with black. So tap on done, and that's going to be your background for your Instagram story. Then now you can tap on sticker and then choose your photo sticker. That's going to open your gallery, and then now you can pick the image you want as your Instagram story, and then you can see it has a black background. So from here you can add music, stickers, you can add some text, some filters, whatever it is you want to add, and then when you're done, just go ahead and post your Instagram story. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, talk to us down in the comment section. Good luck.